What kind of a friend are you?
Filipino. A Filipino friend. I'm a Filipino friend, but I'm not pure Filipino. Half Filipina. Mother is Filipina. Half Pinoy, half Pinay. If I'm your friend, we will go to okay all the time.
Andito. Sumug-sumugan.
Flower tops. Sometimes I'm a preacher. Sometimes I'm a prosecutor. Prosecutor. Sometimes I'm political. Sometimes I'm a scientist.
Mas mura mo si Budoy. What kind of friend are you daw?
Oh, I am the bad one.
I'm the Billie Eilish.
Ako yung nanghihila.
Ano?
Ako yung nanghihila.
Sabi mo, I'm Billie Eilish.
Mga kaibigan ko.
Billie Eilish.
Huwag ka may pagkaibigan sa akin.
Kagaya nila nila Joy Rosal at ni Mirasol.
Oh, mga masasama ugali lang.
Sure ka?
May grupo kami. Pero ang leader namin si Joy.
Lusa?
Ano pala yan?
So, dani pa kami ng mga masasama.
Joker lang niya pero naagi mo react na ka friend bro. Ay, gani mga virtuous woman. According to our lesson this morning, what kind of a friend are you?
I'm the pretty one. I'm the pretty friend. Pretty lang. Kangkong lang. Ganyan.
Ano?
Kangkong lang. Lutang-lutang.
Okay. Ganyan. Ikaw, Beng. Unsapot ka, Beng.
I'm a friend. Ako ang friend nga. Kung nasuko ka, pasukon pa ka na kong duro. Kung nalipay ka, lipayot pa ka na kong duro. Yan ako ka-supportive.
Supportive friend. Paano ka nagiging scientist na friend?
Guy!
When you are a scientist daw as a friend, you always find the truth. But when you are political, you always try to show up. You are... Ano yung isa?
Prosecutor.
Prosecutor, you always try to find justice. But when you are a preacher, you want to live in a virtuous life.
Anong libro yan?
Secret!
Anong libro yan?